What is the meaning of twin flame? Do you have the one? Do you have ever desired to be with one true love? Hey guys, this is Blossom. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna talk about the twin flames. What is the meaning of twin flame? How can you meet to your twin flame? Do you have your twin flame? How do you know that you are a twin flame? So let's get started. What is the meaning of twin flame? Twin flame means your one true love, your divine counterpart, with whom God has created you, for whom God has created you. And you are meant to be with your one true love into this incarnation. Your perfect mirror, your complementary, your other half of your soul. Your twin flame is the one. If you are in a feminine energy, then your twin flame will be in a masculine energy. And if you are a masculine energy, your twin flame will be a feminine energy. It's a balance of yin yang. That's why it said it's a spiritual love. So now we will see, how do you know that you are a twin flame? How do you know that you are having a twin flame? If you have a desire of your one true love in your heart, if you have ever desired to be with them, then yes, you are a twin flame. And how do you know that your twin flame has incarnated with you into this lifetime? If you have the desire in your heart that you want to meet your twin flame or one true love, that means your twin flame exists. They have already incarnated into this lifetime. So if you have a desire to meet the one, for that you want to do anything to be with them, that means you are one of the twin flame and you are on this journey. The desire matters. If you are desiring it, then you are on this journey. Now, how do you know that you have met your twin flame? So this is also very simple. I want you to recall all of your life. Do you have ever felt the connection with someone, whether online or offline? Do you think you have a special kind of connection with someone? Out of nowhere, all of a sudden it happened, and you are feeling so much comfortable with that person. Though you are getting triggered by that person, but still you want to be with them. Then there are the chances that you have met your twin flame. Now the question comes, how do you recognize your twin flame? Before going on to that point, I want to mention here, you cannot recognize your twin flame by their habits, likes and dislikes. For example, if you are a vegetarian and your twin flame is non-vegetarian, it doesn't mean they are not your twin flames. If you like something, if they don't like, it doesn't mean they are not your twin flames. If you are an animal lover and your twin flame doesn't like animals, that also doesn't mean they are not your twin flame. It just means at this stage, they don't like something which you like. At the core, you are always one with your twin flame. You are no different than them. You are one soul. Physically, you are two bodies, two individuals. But at the core, you are one soul. You are the feminine and masculine energy. So your core choices will be same, your values will be same, your life visions will be same. You cannot recognize your twin flame just like that on a surface level. It's a very, very deep and sacred unfolding for each and every one. It's a deep inner knowing. You know in your heart who your twin flame is. So now, how do you recognize your twin flame? So I have a method for that. IFCV. I means inner knowing. F means the feeling of connection. And C means core values, choices, and V means life visions. Let's see the first point, that's inner knowing. So you know your twin flame in your heart, whether you have been with them for a very long time, whether you have just met, or you have been with them for a very short time. It doesn't matter. It's a deep inner knowing. You know, your heart knows, your soul knows if you have met your soul partner. So I always recommend to follow your heart. When it comes to recognizing your twin flame, always follow your heart. You don't need to go outside or to psychics to confirm your twin flame. It's just deep inner knowing. Believe into yourself, or if you need, you can ask universe. I'm giving you the exercise if you want to know for sure whether the person is your twin flame or not. This will help you. This exercise will definitely help you because I have used this exercise for my twin flame recognition. You can do this exercise right now with me. Just close your eyes and go into your heart and find out the place where you feel peace in your heart. And from that place of peace, let's invite God here and ask God, if this person is my twin flame, then show me three dolphins in 24 hours. Now go in detail whether you want to see the dolphins all at once, three at once, or one dolphin at a single time. Just decide and ask God. Be very clear about your question and just relax. Once you share your desire, then just be open, surrender. How, when, why, what is none of our business. It's all up to divine now. Just relax, and within 24 hours, you will be confirmed about the person. And it's a short exercise which has helped me in my journey. So I hope this will help you too. After 24 hours, if you receive sign, if you see any changes, if you have any question, any confusion regarding this exercise or the recognition of your twin flame, you can comment below and I'll solve it for you. Now the second point, feelings. There might be some partners or friends with whom you feel the connection. But do you have any specific person with whom you really felt the connection? Was it out of nowhere? Did you feel something special about that connection? Then it's a chance that that person is your twin flame. And I want you to explore that connection. Now, exploration doesn't mean that is the only truth. Exploration doesn't mean you are cheating on your twin flame. No, it means you're trusting the process. So feel free to explore the connection wherever you feel guided. It's not compulsory, but if you feel like that, you can go ahead. There might be some lessons because this journey is all about learning the lessons and growing. Now, C, core values and choices. So you are always one with your twin flame, so your choices will be the same. If you are making a choice that I choose to meet my twin flame into this incarnation, the same choices will be made by them because you are always connected, deeply connected with your twin flame. You are one with your twin flame at the core, so your core choices will be the same. There will be no difference. If you are making a choice to meet your twin flame and your twin flame chooses something else, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen like that. Your twin flame externally can show anything. There might be blocks, but internally they are also making the same choices. Externally they can trigger you. It's because it's a part of process. They want you to heal and be with them for eternity. That's why they are triggering you. This is same for you too. You also doing something by which your twin flame is getting triggered, but they are not telling you anything. They are not sharing anything. So it doesn't mean they are making different choices. If your twin flame is married to someone, it doesn't mean they have chosen to be with someone else. Yes, you are not choosing yourself, then they will not choose you. If you are fully aware about yourself, if you are loving yourself enough, if you are choosing yourself each and every moment, your twin flame will choose you. There is no other way. They don't have any other choice. They will choose you for sure. Core values means what do you value most in your life? Like friendship, connection, communication, honesty, love, peace, commitment. All these are called value. Do you value commitment in your relationship? Do you value communication in your relationship? I'll give you an example here. Suppose you value communication in your relationship. If the communication is more valuable to you than in any relationship, if you are feeling something is out of alignment, something is triggering you, then you will be open to communicate with that person, whether it could be your friend or the family member or even yourself. If you are triggered by something, instead of running from it, you will sit with yourself and you will heal it within. You give more importance to communication instead of confusion. You will be solution oriented instead of being in arguments and leaking your energy. If the person is matching to your core values on the surface level, go deeper. It's not like about physical appearance, like your twin flame should have long hair or her height should be the 5 feet 6 inches or something like that. Physical appearance doesn't matter. Value at the deep level matters. Now, life vision. V for vision. You and your twin flame share same life visions. For example, if you are ambitious, you want to be independent, you want to do something for you and the humanity. So do your twin flame. They also desire the same at the deep level. If you feel your twin flame has the same life vision, not exactly same, but the complementary, then there are the chances that that person is your twin flame. On the other hand, if you feel the connection with someone, but your life visions do not match with each other, then there could be two possibilities. One, either that person is not your twin flame, or two, that person is showing you something which, if you are healing within, then that person will reveal his or her identity, whether they are your twin flame or not. So, in a nutshell, if you want to recognize your twin flame, you need to recognize yourself. You need to know what is your intuition, how do you feel the connection, core values, and life visions. In order to know your twin flame, know yourself, because this is the inner journey. It's all about you. It's not about your twin flame. If you are knowing yourself, your twin flame will be known to you. Twin flame revelation is a very sacred process. It takes its time, it's a process. And the unfolding is not same for everyone. It could be different from others. Your story could be different from others, right? If you guys feel my videos are inspiring and helping you to change your life, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you feel your friends, your family members, or the person in your group who is going through all these challenges, you can share my video to them. So this way you can generate your good karma. You will have your good karmic balance, so which will help you to fast forward your journey. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me. And if you have any question, you can comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.